Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video as a first time, so kindly make subscribe and hit the bell icon and get notified whenever we made a video. Right? And if you like this video, you can share to your friends. And if you have any questions, so you can comment on this comment box below that, so we will go through your comments and we will make you your doubts clear. So again we are going to take another candlesticks pattern that was giving you such a great result on intraday. So here we are not going to take for an option trade based on this, so we are going to trade only in futures or equity. That will give you such a great kind of result, and mostly this strategy we are going to use for a selling opportunity, okay, to find out a selling trade where it is present. So based on daily time frame, so this is not I'm checking intraday time frame, I'm going to take that as a daily time frame. That is nothing but we are going to take the dark cloud cover candlesticks pattern. So watch the video full and you get how to create the scan. I'm going to discuss here right now, and then I will show you with the back tested report, right? So how we can add that in our scanner too, right? So now we are going to create a scan. So first we are going to follow that stock passes all in futures. Okay, so I'm creating a code now. So just watch carefully, and you can also create the same code based on this. So no problem for me. And if you want the code, I can share you on my description of this video, right? Now, the first one, what I'm going to do, the latest high. Okay, so what I'm going to do, the latest high price today's, that is what today's high is greater than high of 1 day ago. So it is simply shows you those stock which is opens gap up like that. So let's check any conditions. So today some stocks which is Apollo Hospital having good movement. So you see that the stock's previous day high is 4,374.55 and today's high 1 day ago high. So today's high is here and it is above the previous day high, the first one, right? And another important thing, so the open price, it should be open at highest level, right? This is what 1 day ago we are going to take the trade which is present on intraday. So the second condition where we are going to make the open price of the latest open equals 1 day ago high price. Day ago high. Stop. Just run the scanner greater than or equal to. Okay. So let's run the scanner. Now we got some stocks. That is what Sun Pharma right now. We got a stocks. Latest open equal to latest high. Sorry, this is what latest open equal to latest high. We are not going to take today the open market open at day high. Okay, so we don't find any stocks. First of all, we have to save the scan. Just a second. Let's run the code right now. So the latest open equal to latest high. So if today's market open with the high, that I'm going to discuss, and the latest high is greater than 1 day ago high. So that means the stock opened above previous day high and it was forming a open high, right? So this is what the condition. So let's save the scan. Dark cloud decay. Okay, cover. So let's submit. Now once we submit it, so we can get the back tested result. So now we check that. So 2 days back on 13th August we got some two stocks. That is, one is NMDC and second one is NTPC. Let's go to open a NMDC first. So NMDC, which forms on daily basis, that is what 13 August here, 13th August. So the previous day high is 175. The next day it opened 175 as a high. So equal, greater than or equal. So that is what the condition we are given here. Greater than or equal. The latest high is 1 day ago high, greater than or equal. So that was greater than equal. So whenever that candle which breaks the low, so we may be trying to take a trade option in short side around 169 what was sell entry. So next day we didn't get opportunity, but today it breaks below 166 and it moves towards 166. So from 169 to 3 rupees it moves down. But if you check this candle, we have a 6 rupees stop loss, right? So this candle, it moves very lower than the compared to previous candle. So what kind of candle we are expecting in a dark cloud? So let's take dark cloud cover candlesticks pattern. Let's check it out. Here when we check that the dark cloud cover pattern in Google here, so the candle which is open above next day high, so the previous day high is, the today's high is greater than the previous day high, right? So that is what the condition we are going to make. Just wait. Okay, the condition is very simple. So this high, the next day open by high. So here, so we don't get a open equal tie. So but we confirm open equal tie. But the candle is closed above the open of this previous day, correct? So that I'm going to code it right now, and you see that the reversal is very great. So let's go for a code right now, and the latest close price is greater than the open of previous day, because previous day should be the green candle, right? 1 day ago open. So if you scan right now, so what we get it out right now, so we will filter out lot of stocks, and we didn't get some stocks where it is forms around. So we got some previous is August 9. So Amara Raja Batteries, Torrent Pharma and Power Grid. So these stocks where it is forms exact the what we are expecting, that is what a dark cloud. So where you see this is what a dark cloud pattern, but here we find some wicks, but I don't want to that wick also. So it should be the open eye candlesticks pattern. So that I'm going to expect from that kind of scene here. Latest close is greater than 1 day ago. So now how many stocks we got it? Amara Raja Batteries, that is the first one, that is happening by on 9th. You check that the Amara Raja Batteries, yes, it is perfect, and it forms the dark cloud cover pattern sticks. This is what the exact dark cloud cover pattern stick candlesticks pattern that we got it by using the charting scanner. So where we can try to take a trade options. So if you check that, so we can, someone who say where we can take a entry at the candle low of the second or the latest candle low, or someone who take the position by the first candle low, right? So but we will take, it's a daily basis, we will take the entry by the latest candle itself. So it will give you such a great result. Let's see the Amara Raja Batteries, it is giving you 727 is the low price, where the 738.7 is the high price. Almost we got around 11 rupees as the stop loss. If I take the trade whenever the market breaches below that low, so where it is broken and it moves toward to 706, from 727 it moves within the 2 days, made a low of 706, almost 20 points. It gives you the profit. After that it moves again up, and if you check that there will be a hammer kind of pattern. So once it is broken, so it started moving up again. Now it market is trading around, today it made even the low price, but meanwhile this stop loss got triggered, and today also it opened above the previous day high, and but both the candles are in black. So we are going to find out this kind of candlesticks pattern again. I tell you that the dark cloud cover where it has happened, so there is a possibilities of reversal. It is very high. So where we can sell that our stock or options, buying options, put options at this point. So when our market made this low, so within a short time frame, so we can get such a good profit. The second one is Torrent Pharma. So let's look at Torrent Pharma on 9th of August, where it forms here. On 9th of August, it is open above previous day high and it is closed above the open. So again, Torrent Pharma, which is the candlesticks is 3047 and 3119 is the price. So how much we got the stop loss? Here 3047 and 3119. So 3119 minus 3047. So we have 72 point risk for the trade. So from that entry point, the same day it comes to near about 2295. The next day, the stock fallen down to 2881 from the 3047. So almost 160-70 points profit. And again, it made a doji at low, and now it is coming down and it recovered back. So when you focus that candlesticks pattern regularly, so you will get the reversal where if it is trending, so we will follow the trend. Whenever we got any reversal pattern, so we may be trying to trial our stop loss or we should book our profit earlier. Right, and third one is power grid. Let's go for a power grid. So power grid, on here we didn't get any opportunity on power grid because 9th where power grid there is opportunity. It forms looks like that the previous candle is not a green candle, it is a red candle. So to filter out that, we will code again something about the open price of 1 day ago. 1 day ago open price is greater than the close. Let's go for a close. So the 1 day ago close is greater than the open of 1 day ago. If you check that, we will find out those stocks which is previous candle is green and next candle should be red. So only one stocks we filter out. So that will give you such a great result. Only Amar Raja batteries. Right. So this is what our exact dark cloud pattern which forms on 9th August. Within 2 days we got such a great result. Right. And the second one, so previous one we will go for that. On 4th August we got Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Sim. You say that the 4th August how it is working good within a 3-4 days. Within a 2 days it gives you big result. So most 7,733, 7,900, almost 200 point gap for that. From 7,700 it comes to 7,500 again, and it falls down and maximum it comes to 7,200. From this top we got almost somewhere around 500 points down from that particular entry point. So this is the candlesticks pattern. Again, I am focusing for my trade opportunities that will give you such a great result. Right. So here simple code, so you can create, so you will filter out how it is working based on the candlesticks pattern. Mostly market obey the candlesticks pattern. If you believe that, then the system will give you such a great kind of intraday as well as positional profit. So if you believe that there is a candlesticks pattern works, it always works. So you should believe that and you should follow that. So that will give you such a great thing, right? So run the scan. So this will give you us some great kind of informations where we can find out those kind of candlesticks pattern within a 2 to 3 days. We make such a great profit. That is good enough, right? So now we save the scan, and dark cloud cover is the candlesticks pattern. So let's go for a dark cloud cover pattern, right? Dark cloud cover pattern. We'll code it for that. And if you want to check, so you can Google it. and know about that candlesticks pattern, dark cloud cover on daily. So now I'm going to submit it right now. So now it is submitted. So now I'm going to monitor on my dashboard. So that I'm going to add my daily trade setup, that dashboard. So I'll simply add that, and I'm going to take that one. This is the real dashboard whenever we see in end of the day. So it will show what are the stocks which filter based on this candlestick. I think there is no stocks were filtered by dark cloud cover today. Let's check it out. This is happening by 13 August, so we don't have any stocks. And NTPC, so 13 August. Let's check. NTPC, so here, somewhere here it forms and it breaks below the low. That is what, somewhere around 117. So it moves down and it is slightly higher. Let's check what will happen tomorrow, right? NTPC. So it is a less value stock. So instead of that going to take that small value stock, we will focus even bigger. Now the dark cloud cover works very well. I hope this may be a useful video to you all. And now we will go for a 15 minutes dark cloud cover, if anything which forms. So let's check it out, how it is working in 15 minutes time frame. So that is what such a great opportunity we are going to take from this charting scanner that will give you such a great opportunity. And this was 15 minutes of one day ago. That is what latest previous day, previous candle, right? So here both are 15 minutes, but it is both are previous candles, right? So here I'm going to check that 15 minutes, so you can change it out the time frame and recreate a scan. Now I'm going to run scan. We find around, this is 9 o'clock, so we will don't go for a 9 o'clock candle because 9:30 it may open by previous day candle. It will calculate previous day's candle. So if we get an intraday, so we should follow the real candlesticks which is forms on day intraday itself, right? Don't go for that. And so let's check it out what will happen in Havels. Let's go for Havels. So we are using now 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go for Havels. When you check that, 9:30, where we got the scanner at 9:30. This is opening candle, closing candle. Let's check the previous day candles. 3:15. Let's have some issues on that. Let's see. New upper equal to 15 minutes high. Which means minus 15 minutes high is greater than. Okay. So 15 minutes close. Minus 15 minutes open. 15 minutes close is greater than 15 minutes. Let's do with some other thing. I think somewhere we made a mistake, so let's go for that. Yeah, the latest one, both are latest 15 minutes candle, so equal to 15 minutes candle, and the latest 15 minutes high equal to minus 1 15 minutes candle, right? Okay, and the latest close, that is 15 minutes close greater than 15 minutes minus 1, and 15 minutes of previous candle, and should be 15 minutes candle. So that is a green candle we are expecting. So how many stocks which forms at 9? That is what happening by 9:30. Let's check it out. What happened? Havels 9:30. I hope this one is equal and it forms, right? When it is breaks below the low, yes, right. This is the candle where it is green candle. The next candle which forms a down one. So where it breaks below the low of 1232 and it fallen down towards 1216. This is the 15 minutes time frame. So where, and next one which is happening by 11:15, so that a PFC. Let's go and check that, so it may give you some clear confidence. PFC at the time frame is around 11:15. there. 11:15. Yeah, the PFC, which forms dark cloud cover the high 23.29.129.65. Next candle it forms a 129.65. That is equal open equal to high on that particular time. But previous candle is green and the next candle is red. So it happened the break down below 129.3 with a 30 paisa risk. It fallen down to 127.6. You said you check that there is an intraday opportunity also be present. Right, so this is the one so where we can use for our intraday trades. And 11:30 we got some other two stocks, that is Bharat Forge and Indus Bank. Let's go for a Indus Bank. I hope you got that answer. So you got that idea what we are doing you right now. So Indus Bank around 11:30. So when we check that 11:30 here, where this sorry this bank, right? This bank at 11:30 where this candle. So once the market is broke below that candle around 1000, it fallen down to 993, just 3 rupees risk for the trade. So this is the candlesticks pattern always working on our intraday time frame. So again you check that the doji at bottom that reversed from that particular point of 996 when we are taken around 1000, so we may be exiting that position by 996 and the reversal is happening and it moves to us to 1002.9. So now you got clear about how this candle is working, so that I'm going to based on daily time frame that will works very well, right? I hope this may be useful video to you all, and that was giving you such a great return on next day trade. So we plan the trade for a next day that will works, and I'm going to give this dark cloud cover daily candlesticks pattern on our description. So if you want that, you can take it from the description. And today's stock, that is the latest, not a today's, it is a previous one. So that is what NTPC, right? So here I hope this may be a useful video to you all, and thanks for watching this, and thank you very much. And if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you so much. Thank you friends.